Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video I'm going to be comparing Semrush versus Ahrefs. Which one is the best SEO tool for you? These are two of the most popular and feature-rich SEO tools on the market, and in this video I'm going to be talking about each one's unique strengths that may make it better suited for certain projects or use cases. So essentially I'm going to be sharing some reasons why you might want to choose Ahrefs over Semrush, as well as other scenarios where Semrush could be the better pick for you. Let's get started. So starting with the top reasons to go with Ahrefs. One of Ahrefs' biggest advantage is that it offers data from a much wider range of search engines. While Semrush only focuses on Google, Ahrefs allows you to perform in-depth keyword research for 9 additional search engines, and this includes major platforms like YouTube and Amazon. Now, it's worth noting that Google's dominant market share means that this won't be a deal breaker for everyone. But if optimizing your site for alternative search engines is a priority, then Ahrefs clearly delivers more of the data that you need. Secondly, identifying the number of people searching for a specific keyword phrase is a fundamental aspect of the research process. Both Ahrefs and Semrush make it easy to access search volume data, but with Ahrefs, you are taking things a step further with its useful traffic potential metric. This insight looks beyond the main keyword to estimate the total traffic that you could capture by ranking number 1. Factoring in clicks from closely related search variations as well. The third advantage that Ahrefs offers is that it allows you to work with unlimited projects and domains. So if your SEO work spans across numerous websites, Ahrefs is built to accommodate that. The platform lets you add and analyze an unlimited number of verified domains to your project. Verifying domain ownership is a simple process. You connect your Ahrefs account with Google Search Console and then add a DNS record, or upload an HTML file to prove that you have legitimate access. Semrush, on the other hand, is more restrictive in terms of the number of domains that you can manage under your account. Additionally, broken link building is a proven SEO tactic for earning high-quality backlinks. Ahrefs simplifies the broken link building process. The basic process involves identifying a broken outbound link, recreating the missing content it originally pointed to, and then requesting that the referring site updates the link to your new source instead. Using Ahrefs, finding those broken link opportunities is very easy. You simply enter a domain into the Site Explorer, navigate to the Broken Links report, and you will see a complete list of all of the broken outbound links along with the referring URLs. Now, Semrush can also facilitate broken link building, but it requires a more involved multi-step process to uncover those opportunities. And finally, Ahrefs has the edge when it comes to competitive link analysis as well. It offers a link intersect tool that allows you to compare your site's backlink profile against up to 10 competitors simultaneously. Semrush has an equivalent feature that limits the comparison to only about 4 domains. More sites means more potential opportunities to find websites that are linking to your rivals but not to you yet. And you can then strategically reach out and make the case for them to link to your content as well. Now that we've covered some of Ahrefs' key strengths, let's go ahead and explore the other side of the equation. Here are some reasons why Semrush may be the better fit for your needs. First of all, it offers significantly higher reporting limits. If your SEO research involves pulling large quantities of reports, Semrush is the clear winner. Even at the basic or the cheapest plan, you can generate up to 3,000 domain analysis reports every single day. Ahrefs has a cap on this at just about 500 reports per month on the Elite plan. Semrush remains much more generous with the data access as you move up the pricing ladder as well. No matter which plan you choose, expect to be able to pull substantially more reports compared to Ahrefs. Additionally, Semrush provides more contextual search intent insights. It goes a step beyond the raw data to help you understand the why behind a user's search query. For any given keyword, you will see an intent classification that indicates whether the search is commercial, informational, navigational, or transactional. For example, for the transactional intent, it means that the users who search for this keyword are likely to make a purchase. So understanding searcher intent provides valuable context for determining which keywords are most likely to drive conversions and revenue. And as of right now, Ahrefs does not offer a comparable feature. The third one is that if you need a tool that can support both organic and paid search optimization, Semrush is likely the stronger choice. Its robust advertising research toolkit aggregates a wide array of Google Ads data, and this includes keywords, ad positions, ad copy, landing pages, and more. While Ahrefs does provide some high-level PPC metrics, the breadth or depth of data is far more limited compared to Semrush. On number 4, Semrush offers some powerful features to simplify the link building outreach process from start to finish. You just enter a target URL and the platform will automatically generate a list of relevant high authority websites to pitch for backlinks. But it doesn't just stop there, it will also find accurate contact information for the site owners wherever possible. You can then manage all of your outreach communications directly through Semrush's built-in CRM, which syncs with your email account. Although Ahrefs is great for link prospecting, it lacks similar outreach management systems. And lastly, Semrush makes it easy to take the platform for a test drive before committing to a paid plan. You can sign up for a free trial to access all of the tool's core features and data with no restrictions. So you can go ahead and grab the link in our description box down below, and then you will get a 7-day free trial, give the platform a test drive and see how it suits your business. Ahrefs, on the other hand, provides a handful of useful free tools, but to get full access to the platform, you will need to sign up for at least 1 month of the paid plans. Now, when it comes to pricing, Semrush is a little bit on the pricier side, especially when it comes to Ahrefs' other plans. As you can see, the Lite plan with Ahrefs starts at $99, and if you pay annually, then it would be at $83. Whereas with Semrush's Pro plan, it starts at about $130 per month, and if you pay annually, it would go down to $108 per month. The two other tiers are also more expensive with Semrush. However, I would say that the price is completely worth it, considering the sheer amount of breadth and depth of data that you would be getting with each one of these plans. I would highly recommend doing your own research, checking the plans out and seeing exactly what you need out of these tools before choosing which plan or even platform to go with. As we've seen from today's video, both platforms are incredibly powerful and feature rich, so there is really no universally wrong choice. Consider your own priorities, use cases, and budget to determine which one is the best fit. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's analysis to be helpful or useful to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.